Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy gold using the Revolut app in 2025, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Revolut app and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on the Wealth or Commodities tab. If you don't see it, search for gold using the top search bar. Step 3. Tap Gold XAU from the list of commodities. Step 4. You'll see real-time gold prices. Tap Buy to continue. Step 5. Enter the amount you want to invest. You can buy as little as $1 worth of gold. Step 6. Choose the currency or Revolut account you want to pay from, then tap Preview Order. Step 7. Review the price and fees, then tap Buy Now to complete the purchase. Bonus tip: you can also set price alerts or enable recurring purchases to invest in gold over time. Note: Revolut doesn't deliver physical gold. You're buying exposure to the price of gold, which you can sell anytime. And that's it. You've just bought gold on Revolut in under 2 minutes. If this was helpful, like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more simple tutorials. See you in the next one.